Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by confirming the issue is DNS and not general networking. Check if websites load by IP address to confirm a DNS-specific problem. This isolates name resolution versus routing or firewall problems. Next, open a terminal or command prompt and run nslookup or dig to see if DNS resolves names to IPs correctly. Then ping 8 and then ping Google. To compare connectivity versus name resolution. If IP pings succeed while names fail, proceed to flush cache and change DNS settings. If both fail, check cables, Wi-Fi, and router power first. On Windows, start an elevated command prompt and flush the DNS cache using ipconfig/flushdns. Next, open Network Connections, right-click the adapter, and choose Properties to modify IP4 settings. Set static DNS to 8 and 1 in adapter IP4 properties for reliable resolution. Save changes and then restart the DNS client service or reboot after changing DNS to ensure new settings apply. If problems persist, run nslookup to verify queries, return expected IP addresses. Roll back any VPN or proxy setting. For macOS, open terminal and flush DNS with sudo killall HUPM DNS responder and then test with dig. Then open System Settings, choose Network and set DNS entries to 8 and 1 in your active interface. If you manage a router, log into its admin page and use router settings to set up stream DNS to 8 or 1 to affect all devices. If issues continue, reset router to defaults and reconfigure ISP login and DNS entries. Finally, verify by accessing multiple websites and running nslookup from a laptop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.